notification, the fifth August notification. First SLST 2010, Group D, written examination notification. লিখিত পরীক্ষা সংক্রান্ত বিজ্ঞপ্তি। পশ্চিমবঙ্গ মাদ্রাস সার্ভিস কমিশন দ্বারা আয়োজিত ফার্স্ট এসএলএসটি গ্রুপ ডির 28/11/2010 তারিখে অনুষ্ঠিত প্রিলিমিনারি যে 73,978 জন প্রার্থী যোগ্যতা অর্জন করা সত্ত্বেও 29/5/2011 তারিখে লিখিত পরীক্ষা দিতে পারেননি।
What does this mean?
That entire persons who applied and found eligible is 1 lakh and odd. And that only 24,000 examination could be held, the rest could not be held.
For a test is held only once. It is not held in installments or in parts. Today 25, next 25, then 25 will go to 1,75,000. This is not done.
There, so far as the 73,000 was that, the rest was there. In the calculation sheet, there was some defect.
Yes.
Therefore, that could not, their power to participate in the said written test could not be given a green signal. Subsequently,
Subsequently, in 2010 examination, in 2024, you are giving
up to 19, it was injuncted by the court.
Now, in 2024, you allow these people. Obviously, the earlier ones will.
They have already appeared. They are not prejudiced.
They will be prejudiced if you allow 73,000 more.
7,000 were already eligible, successful candidates.
Where successful? You didn't hold the written examination. How can
they
they
are
be successful?
Screening candidates. Their screening test was done, Malad. Academic qualification was tested.
And then you did not permit them to take the examination.
They could not take the examination. That's why, Malad, we applied before the division bench.
Did